kids. Today's February 11th, 2013.
I get pink. I get pink, Mama. I get pink.
The pink cake.
Yeah.
And I'm making my kids sing happy birthday to me because it's my birthday. Okay, on your marks, get set, go.
Happy birthday to you. Henry, sing it all voice out. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Can I help you blow your candles out?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Where are they?
They're twins. Candles.
I can't wait to see my cake. You guys helped Daddy make it, didn't you? Madeline, can you sing to Mom now? Your turn.
Get funny.
Hey, that wasn't the whole song. Where'd the rest of it go?
Hello.
Can you keep singing?
Birthday to you.
Yay! Thanks, Madeline. I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you too.